1968 Ford Mustang Fastback GT, the car that defined American muscle for an entire generation. And Southern Rod and Custom just rebuilt this one from the ground up at their world-class facility in Shepparton, Australia. A complete rotisserie restoration with serious performance upgrades underneath. This is old-school cool with modern engineering, and every detail has been thought through. Under the hood sits a built Ford V8 topped with an Edelbrock intake and a Cobra branded air cleaner. Clean, period correct, and all business. No wasted space in that engine bay, just polished aluminum, fresh plumbing, and a Russell fuel pressure gauge keeping tabs on every ounce of fuel delivery. The braking system is a full Wilwood setup. Upgraded master cylinder, drilled rotors, and multi-piston calipers tucked behind all four corners. This fastback doesn't just go, it stops on command. Rolling on dark 8-spoke wheels with polished lips and meaty rubber, the stance is perfect. Low enough to look aggressive, but with enough clearance to actually drive it. The whole car sits exactly where it should. The paint, Tahoe Turquoise, and it's absolutely flawless. A classic Ford color brought back to life by the team at SRC. Under overcast Australian skies, the color shifts from aqua to deep teal, depending on where the light hits. Silver racing stripes run down the hood and over the rear deck, subtle but unmistakable. Every panel, every body line, every reflection is laser straight. Open the door, and the interior is all business. Black leather bucket seats, black carpet, Auto Meter Pro-Comp Ultra-Lite gauges, a 160-mile-an-hour speedometer, and a 10,000 RPM tachometer right where you need them. A T-handle shifter sits in the center console. No unnecessary flash, just a clean, purpose-built cockpit. Through the rear quarter glass, the iconic fastback roofline sweeps down to those classic triple taillights. The plate reads FBGT68. The GT gas cap badge sits proudly on the rear panel, and from every angle this Mustang commands attention. Built by Shane Rowe and the team at Southern Rod and Custom, one of Australia's most respected custom car builders, turning out show-stopping rides for over 30 years. This is the 68 Fastback. Subscribe for more builds from the shop.